Hello everyone. In this class now we are going to be discussing insert an element into array. What do you mean by insert operation? Insert is an operation which is going to be inserting an element into a given position. It's a simple operation which is performed on array data structure, which we discussing operation performed on array. It is an insertion operation, means inserting an element into particular location or a particular positions. Now we are discussing algorithm for inserting an element into array. It is an algorithm for inserting an element into an array which consists of 4 steps. Those are for I equal to n minus 1 down to p, a of I plus 1 equal to a of I, n down for a of p equal to element, n equal to n plus 1, exit. These are the 4 different steps which consist in inserting an element into array. In this, if you want to insert any element into given array, let us consider this array in which I want to insert an element into array. If you want to insert in between this element, what we have to perform is we have to move the elements from current position to its next position. Let us consider I want to insert an element at 15 at position 2. I want to insert an element 15 at location 2 in this position. Then what I am to perform, is that I have to shift an element which are located at particular position to its next positions. Means I need to shift element 4 to its next positions. I need to move element 3 to its next positions. I need to move element 20 to its next positions. Then only it is possible to insert an element 15 at the location 2. It's a simple operation. If you want to insert whatever we are having elements, those elements should be shifted or moved to its higher index or higher positions. Then only it is possible to insert an element into desired locations. In this algorithm, first one for I equal to n minus 1 down to p. For I equal to n minus 1 down to p nothing but I need to identify a particular position. Up to that position, whatever the elements which I am having, those elements should be shifted to its next positions. For that we require this follow. Means n minus 1 is the highest index of that array. If we are having array size 5, means 4 is the index is the highest index of that array. Means I need to move the element from last index to n down to p, means the particular positions. All those elements should be shifted to its next index. That is nothing but I equal to n minus 1 down to p. It means that for this array n minus total elements are, total size of this array is 5 minus 1 is 4 of last index to the particular positions. These array should be shifted to its next positions. That is called, that for that we require this column for I equal to n minus 1 down to p. Usually we are implementing this statement in a programming code as like this. For I equal to n minus 1, I is greater than or equal to p, I minus. Means every time it is going to be decrementing I value until unless I am going to be getting a particular position, all the elements should be shifted to its next index value. Once we in this operation I am going to be assigning all those values to its higher index value. Means a of I plus 1 equal to a of I. Means whatever the value which we are having in higher position, that should be assigned to its next index value. Means if I want to move element 30 to a next index, that is simply done using this statement. That is end of for once we reach to the particular position, I need to assign a particular value to a particular position, means inserting. After that, I need to increase in size, because initially we are having certain elements. After inserting an element into array, we have to increase size of that array by 1. For that we require n equal to n plus 1, which is increasing size of array. For that we require n equal to n plus 1. Lastly, exit. It is going to be coming out from the loop. Now we will be discuss this algorithm with an example. I consider an array of size. In this algorithm, there are certain terminologies we need to be know A of n is an array of size n, means total number of elements which are existing in that array, that is A of n. P is a position at particular point or particular location where we want to insert an element, that is position. ELE is an element which we want to insert into a given array. Element will be anything which we are going to insert into a given array. Next one is n is the size of that array. N is the size of array. Now we are going to discuss this example to insert. Now I want to insert P position 2, means second position. I want to insert an element ELE element 15. In this array I missed the element 15. Now I want to insert the element 15 at position 2. Then how we are going to implement it using this algorithm? We are going to trace with help of this algorithm. First one, for I equal to n minus 1 down to p. For I equal to n minus 1 means for I equal to n minus 1 means 4 down to p means I need to reach to a particular position. Means I need to shift all these elements to its higher index. For next one is down to p condition. This condition become true. Means down to p means I need to reach second position. The exactly right now I am at location 4th, so it is not of my exact location. So I need to shift the element or the element which is located at index 4 should be shifted to its higher index. It is going to be done or performed using A of I plus 1 equal to A of I. A of I plus 1 equal to A of I, which means that A of I, initially I n minus 1 is 4, initially I value is 4, A of 4 plus 1 is equal to A of I value is 4, which means that A of 4 plus 1 is nothing but A of 5. A of 5 equal to A of 4. Which means that whatever the value which I am having at index A of 4 is assigned to an A of 5th index. Means now content of A of 4 should be copied to or assigned to an index A of 5. Now I increase one value, that is A of 5. For A of 5, I need to copy or assign whatever I am having at index 4 should be copied to an index 5. Now I am copying element 30 into index 5. Once again, value will be decremented, means minus minus. N becomes 3. N becomes 3 because n minus minus operation is nothing but it's going to be decreasing I value by 1. It was 4. Now I decreased with 1 value. Now I will become 3. 3 is greater than or equal to 2, means my position is 3. Where up to third index, up to second index, I need to shift all those elements. So this condition become true. If this condition become true, then it is going to be entering into loop. Means whatever the value which I am having at index third should be shifted to index 4. Means it is A of I plus 1 equal to A of I. A of I value is 3. A of 3 plus 1 is 4. A of I is 3. Means now content of A of 3 should be assigned to an index A of 4. Now A of 3 is 25. 25 should be assigned to a 4th index. Now I shifted, means content of that value is going to be assigned to index 4. Now I value is decremented, I become 2, again 2 is greater than or equal to 2. condition become true, enter into a loop. Once again, I equal to a of I plus 1 equal to a of I. A of I value is 2. 2 plus 1 is assigned to a of I. A of I is 2. It is a of 3. A of 3 equal to a of 2. Means whatever I am having at index a of 2th location should be assigned to a of 3rd index. Means whatever I am having at index 2 should be assigned to an index 3. Now I am overwriting this value with an 20. Once again, I value is decremented. I value is now I value is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 1 is less than or equal to 2. No, condition become false. 1 is not less than or equal to 2. Condition become false. Once this condition become false, it come out from the loop. It come out from the loop. Once the condition become false, it come out from the loop. A of p equal to element. A of p equal to element, which means that A of p equal to element. A of p is the position which we mentioned at a particular position where we want to insert. That is p. That value is 2. A of p is 2 is equal to element. Element is 15. The value which we want to insert at a particular position is 15. Which is simply assigning value 15 to a position 2 in a given array. It is a simple assignment operation which is assigning value 15 to an index 2 of a given array. Now 2 value is overwritten and it is going to be assigning 15. It is going to be assigning 15. Once we are assigning, after that I need to increase n value because initially we are having certain elements in an array. After inserting an element, I need to increase value 1 by that array. For that, n equal to n plus 1. Initially, that is n equal to n plus 1. N value initially 4 plus 1. Now n equal to 5. It is a final value because we are increased one element into that array. So size of the array should be increased. For that, we are using this step. N equal to n plus 1. After that, exit, which is come out from the loop.